Hey guys, my name's Matt and I wanted to make a video about safety in small fishing boats. And if you're like me, you've got a small 14-foot aluminum boat with a tiller handle motor, you may find this information helpful. So a lot of your older motors don't have a kill switch lanyard, and that can be pretty dangerous if you're going down the lake using the tiller handle and something happens, you fly out of the boat. That motor's going to keep running and it's not going to go in a straight line. It's going to torque to the side and it's going to be spinning in circles, and you're going to be dodging it, whatever, trying to get away from it. So my thoughts were, who wants to deal with a lanyard attached to your wrist or your belt when you're trying to fish, you're getting up, moving around the boat? That's just an aggravation. That's fine for a console boat where you're sitting in a seat, standing up, you got a steering wheel, you're up front. A lanyard's good because you're not always sitting. But when you're using a tiller handle motor, a lanyard can just be an aggravation. So my thoughts were, why not find a lawnmower seat with a kill switch made into it and mount that in your boat? And so that's what I've done, and I wanted to show you this because I couldn't find any videos on YouTube or really any information online where somebody else had done the same thing. So here it is. This is a seat that I bought at the scrapyard for $8, and it's a really good seat. It's a molded vinyl seat, so you can peel this off. Okay, it's like rubber, and it'll last for years and years out in the weather. It won't crack like those, a lot of those cheap seats that come on even new mowers. This is the kill mechanism right here. It's just a switch that when it is released, and right now it's released, it closes the circuit. Okay, when you sit down on it, it opens the circuit. So it's very simple. Your kill switch on your boat, all that does is grounds out the electrical system, and that's what this kill switch right here does. You got two wires on your boat motor for the push button kill, and all you have to do is take these two wires and wire that in parallel. Okay, and you've got the same thing. Now I modified my seat a little bit. I wanted my seat to swivel, so right here I welded a bolt to the seat and put a piece of polyurethane plastic in between there and made it so it would swivel, and then I just welded the nut on. Okay, and I used the same springs for some suspension, because a lot of times hitting waves and things like that, it's rough and whatever. Thought I'd use that. And I also mounted my seat a little bit higher. I made this aluminum rig here and got my seat about 8 inches higher than the seat that's in the boat, or the thwart, the cross piece. Okay, I'm a taller guy and I like to be able to see, and I'm just more comfortable higher. But anyway, that's it. It's just this aluminum right here, it just slips right down over the cross piece in the boat. You can slide it forward or back and the seat swivels, and if you run into trouble while you're on the water, you fly out of the boat, it's going to kill the motor automatically. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you can find this information useful. Thanks for watching.